Ever felt like your money just disappears? You're not alone. We all know the struggle of trying to keep track of our finances, especially in today's world. But what if I told you there's a tool that's been helping people like us for years, quietly guiding us towards a healthier financial future? That tool, my friends, is PocketGuard. Now, you might be wondering, how long has this magical money-saving app actually been around? Well, get ready for a little history lesson. Believe it or not, PocketGuard has been on a journey alongside us, evolving with the changing financial landscape. It wasn't always the sleek, user-friendly app you know and love today. In fact, PocketGuard's story began back in year of founding. That's right, years ago. Back then, the world of personal finance apps was a much wilder place. There were fewer options, and many of them were clunky and difficult to use. PocketGuard saw a need for a simpler, more intuitive approach, a tool that could take the stress out of budgeting and make managing your money enjoyable. And that's exactly what they did. Over the years, PocketGuard has consistently innovated, adding new features and improving existing ones based on user feedback. From humble beginnings, PocketGuard has grown into a trusted companion for millions of people worldwide. It's helped countless individuals achieve their financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment, or simply gaining a better understanding of their spending habits. Remember that this tool, born from a vision of simplifying personal finance, has been helping people like you for years. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.